Hi investors, KANABO Stock is the new cannabis stock that has just landed in the London Stock Exchange and that all investors need to know about. So in this video we'll deep dive into it and we'll look at their business model and products. We'll go through their financial data and look at the price action, and then most importantly the potential catalyst that might send the price of this stock through the roof. And I've bought and recommended on this channel a lot of stocks like Workhorse, Neo and IDEX. And to all my subscribers who bought in with me, we doubled our money. By the way, if you want to see all my trades when I buy and sell stocks, you can just join my free Discord group, and it's the first link in the description below. And yes, it's totally free. And today we look at KANABO Stock, and as I said, they just launched today. And this company, as you see here on the screen, has got a focus on the distribution of cannabis-derived products for medical patients and non-THC products for CBD consumers. And for those who don't know, THC is the main ingredient, they say the magic in cannabis products. So they are focusing on products that do not have illegal part of cannabis. And KANABO has conducted extensive research and development in order to produce high-quality cannabis extract formulas, innovative medical-grade vaporizers, and various non-smoking consumption solutions. And in terms of products, the formula they have designed is specific for their vaping device called VapePod, and it's KANABO's cutting-edge cannabis oil vaporization device. And they claim that this VapePod is the first ever medically certified vaporization delivery system for cannabis extract and is expected to be registered as a CE medical device in the European Union. And as you can see, I'm now on the KANABO website, and this is the VapePod in all its beauty, and they say that VapePod is disrupting the medical cannabis market with a quality medically certified delivery system. And other products they have on their website are these formulations that they show here, and also they show you what sort of effect these kind of solutions give to you. So we are talking about reload. So when you smoke this one, you feel like a moment of clarity and focus. And then we have relax, that is to quiet your mind and find tranquility. And then moving on, we have repair. Obviously we were looking for repair. Release the tension and regain your balance. And now we're moving on to the next part, and we're gonna check where they are in terms of distribution, selling of these products. And so the company is currently selling initial products in the UK and Germany and is ready to scale up to meet market demands and projected sales and revenues. And so the company is currently just selling their very first products in just two markets. We have Germany and we have the UK. And so this actually calls for the next part of this video, which are the financial data that we have on this company. And these are the latest data on this company. And as you can see from this blank space here under the revenue section, well, unfortunately, they haven't made a penny. And that was the same in 2019. And unfortunately, the company is then not profitable at all. And so in the last 6 months, they burned through about £100,000. And as you can see from this balance sheet, the company didn't even make money in 2018. So the bottom line is that this company hasn't actually sold a thing, at least based on the balance sheet. They say that they are selling in UK and Germany, but yet they haven't got any revenues to show for. And so that calls for a question: what is their cash position as of now? And so as you can see from the balance sheet, they had £516,000 as of the latest earnings report. On top of that, you also have to add the 6 million that they raised in today's IPO. And so overall, the company has got lots of cash considering their burning rate. But stay with me, because the next part is gonna be about the stock chart and the potential catalyst that might send the price of this stock through the roof. And as you can see from the chart, and this is the 1 hour chart, unfortunately the stock went up and then plummeted back down. It's not a great start because normally stocks go down the day after the IPO, whereas this stock went down straight after. And so in terms of price action, we don't have much to analyze. But what are the catalysts that might send this stock through the roof? Well, there are two that can happen quite soon. And so the first catalyst is actually very likely, and it's mentioned in this article. Given it is in advanced stages to receive the EU registered CE mark, KANABO is already in talks with several distributors who have taken an interest in partnering in the EU. And so the bottom line is that they're trying to expand outside Germany and actually invade the EU. On top of that, they are actually looking at future products in development that are on the horizon, they say, for the next year. And that is the second generation of medically certified devices, new medicinal cannabis oil, and clinical trials. And so this is the second catalyst, obviously the launch of new products. But there is a third catalyst that is not mentioned anywhere and that can potentially happen. And that is obviously the launch of this company in the US. Because as you know, the US is actually promoting lots of green stocks, also that kind of green stock. And so maybe that's another possibility, but probably not in the foreseeable future. And so overall, am I gonna buy this stock or not? Well, it's early days and I'm not totally sure. I'll look at it and definitely consider it for my portfolio. If you want to know if I'm buying or selling this stock, well, join my Discord group. It's totally free and it's the first link in the description below. Like I said, totally free. And if you're looking for another explosive stock, how about IDEX stock? The video on the screen right now are the latest news on IDEX stock, a great company. Do you want a great stock? So click on the video.